After long winter here in Finland, we have had to wait the proper time to really do the painting. Finally, Mein Schiff name is here on top side and it feels great. First of all, we need to prepare the topside surface for the painting. We need to polish the surface. After that, we can paint with the dark blue color. Then we will start with installing the templates, ensure that the location of Mein Schiff text is looking good. So after installing then the template, we can really start the painting of Mein Schiff name. I think the Mein Schiff name will really complete the look and the design of whole vessel. Mein Schiff 7 will be beautiful in every way.